Someone once said if you spend whole your day at a fish market, you will end up smelling like a fish even though you did not buy anything there. On the other hand, if you spend whole your day in a perfume shop, you will end up smelling good even though you didn't buy anything there. That's why we say your environment always rubs off on you. For example, if you're surrounded by people full of complaints, you will end up feeling negative. On the other hand, if you're surrounded by people full of actions, full of gratitude, you will also start seeing blessings everywhere and you will start growing in your life. So, hello everybody, this is Mamta and welcome to Mamta Inspires YouTube channel. This is our day 18 of 30 days shadowing practice. And our today's brand new topic is people around you influence you. So before we go ahead in our topic, let me remind you what is shadowing. Shadowing means you speak along with me, or if that feels harder to follow the same speed, then you take a pause and then you repeat whatever I have spoken. This is known as shadowing. So let's get the ball rolling and start our today's shadowing practice. The topic for the day is the people around you influence you. Personally, I believe that the people around us have a huge influence on who we become. Our habits, mindset, and attitude can be shaped by the people we spend the most of our time. The main reason is that we spend a lot of our time with the people close to us. Their words, their actions can shape our mindset and affect the way we see things. If we surround ourselves with positive and hardworking people, we are most likely to stay motivated. But if we are always around negative people, their negativity can rub off on us. Imagine two people who want to improve their English. One of them spends time with people who practice English regularly, encourage each other, and aren't afraid of making mistakes. And the other spends time with people who constantly say, my English is bad, I do not have resources, I make mistakes, people judge me, and even they make fun of others for speaking English. So, naturally, the first person is more likely to become confident and improve their English. If your friends are always complaining or making excuses, you might fall into the same pattern. Now, all things considered, I believe our environment plays a powerful role in shaping our personality. We can't always choose every person we meet, but we can choose who we spend most of our time with. If we really want to grow, we should surround ourselves with people who inspire us to become better version of ourselves. Thank you so much. Good job. Here we have completed our day 19 of 30 days shadowing practice. And if you are really serious about learning English, then contact me here and join my spoken English course. Here you will get 6 days classes in a week and that is also budget friendly. Like this video and share it with your friends. Now let's catch you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Keep on practicing.